It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am back. I am actually going out tonight. Yes, going to a fall festival. So I will be back probably later for one more video. But today, I really wanted to talk about all of this Christmas that I've been getting at Bath and Body Works, including strawberry snowflakes from the Festive Forest collection. Now, I totally goofed this up yesterday. In the Festive Forest collection, we've got strawberry snowflakes, which came back from last year. We're going to talk about this one. Snowflakes and cashmere, which is a really good one. A lot of people love snowflakes and cashmere. Winterberry Wonder, that was the one I forgot. Winterberry Wonder comes back every year. A lot of people like that. That's like a dark maroon packaging. And then Fairy Tale is also part of this collection, which I thought was interesting. Dahlia is actually part of the Tufted collection that is with Champagne Toast and I believe Dark Kiss. So there's a lot of stuff rolling in, a lot of repackages. I've been reading all of your comments on my last video, and I totally get everything that everyone's saying. I mean, everyone's like, where is the Foodie Gourmand collection this year? It just feels like we're not getting a lot of those nice bakery scents anymore. I'm really hoping this year in January, February, we get an entire bakery collection. They kind of stopped doing that. Like I said, the big year was chocolate covered cherry, raspberry jam donut, coconut cream pie, strawberry pound cake. Remember that collection? It was fabulous. So I'm not sure where Bath and Body Works is going. I'm hoping we get some surprises this year in the Christmas collection. But right now I want to talk about strawberry snowflakes. This is the new packaging. It's really pretty in person. It's not as fancy as the storybook collection. This one's got the metallic lid. It's got some like metallic gold accents. So it's a little bit plainer. It's a little bit gold. There's like a little bit of gold on here, but not quite as fancy. Although I saw the picture of Fairy Tale and it looks pretty, I gotta say. The mist is pretty. I like the mist. I got the mist and the shower gel in these. So last year, strawberry snowflakes debuted in the faceted, kind of metallic. A lot of people were asking me for prices on these too. So I wanted to do the price points. So these are $16.95, the Jolly Gingerbread Village. You can use your app rewards for these, which is really good news. I didn't even realize until yesterday. I was like, oh, my app reward. The shower gel is $14.95. So again, you can use your app reward. I was looking at the price on this from 2018. $12.50. Oh my gosh, I remember those days. And then the mist and the strawberry snowflakes is $17.95, which is weird to me because I feel like the packaging on this collection is prettier. These are $16.95 and then these are $17.95, and I'm sure the faceted are going to be like what they were last year, which is like $17.50. I think faceted is going to be $18.95, $19.95. Faceted's pretty high. Actually, you know what? I can tell you. I think it was 18. No, it's $17.95. Yeah, so $17.95. Both of these are $17.95. Boy, this is confusing this year. That's interesting. $17.95 on these collections, and then $16.95. I would equate this to like the holiday traditions. You know how we call stuff the holiday traditions. So interesting. I got to do a first impression on Bright Christmas Morning too. So strawberry snowflakes is juicy strawberry, whipped cream, iced bergamot. If you like strawberry pound cake, you're going to like this one. It doesn't have the pound cake element, but this one does feel more like a dessert. Let's just put it that way. The strawberry and the vanilla mixed together like juicy strawberry whipped cream. It smells dessert-like. Funny, because I usually don't like bergamot. And I don't feel like the bergamot is overpowering in this one. It kind of smells like a strawberry whipped cream holiday dessert. So if you've never had strawberry Snowflakes. I think you're going to like it if you like strawberry desserts. Here is the shower gel. Super pretty in the shower gel, although we don't get the upgraded lid on this one. It's tangier in the shower gel. I don't know why. But remember when we had just plain strawberry? That's kind of what this smells like. There's a little bit of a like strawberry Pez element in this one that I'm not getting in the mist. I got my tea. I'm still coughing just a little bit, you guys. I'm almost done with this cold. It's just lingering. I'll probably be coughing for a month. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I get that. I get the strawberry Pez in here. I actually didn't have a chance to use this in the shower yet, but I washed my hands with it. And I'm like, yeah, it's the same as last year. So if you like last year's, it's very, very similar. I like this one a lot. It's funny. I was out and about today and asking people what they thought of the Jelly Gingerbread Village. And everyone agrees with me that it's just a little bit different. Like, what is the timber note? I keep going back to that. It's so different. So anyway, lots of interesting stuff coming for Christmas. We're going to be going over all of it. I'll have all the collections. I'm getting all the pieces. I like to do Christmas up big. You know me, Christmas is huge. So that is exciting. So anyway, let me know what you think of strawberry snowflakes. Is it your thing? It's cute this year. I want to get this whole collection. I think it's adorable. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.